To integrate with your scanner, you're going to click on the settings icon in the top right. And on the left-hand side, you're going to see integrations. This is where you can choose to add an integration. You'll notice that I'm already connected to my Allied Stars, but if I want to go ahead and add a new integration, I can click on Add, and then you can choose the Allied Star or 3 shape to connect to the integration. You'll notice that it will have the scanners that you're connected with. Once you've done that and you can go back to your patient list, you would click on Add New Patient. Once you click on Add New Patient, you'll notice this blue button that says Import from Scanner. When you click on Import from Scanner, it's going to show you all of your patients underneath the Allied Star scanner. If you want to change to a different scanner, you would just click on the little arrow and it would allow you to toggle back and forth between 3 shape or Allied Star, depending on the scanner that you have. Once you've made sure that you've selected the right scanner, you can either search for your patient or you can choose them in the list below. You'll notice it's going to enter the first name and last name, and then if the date of birth did not come over, it is a required field, so you will have to enter in the patient's date of birth. Once you've done that, you'll want to make sure that it's assigned to the appropriate doctor and add any patient notes that you wish to add. Click on Add Patient. Once you click on Add Patient, you'll choose what type of case this is, and it's going to automatically populate the area with your STLs. As long as you confirm that your STLs are the correct STLs for this patient, you can click on Next and follow the prompts to finish adding in your patient. You can then fill out your prescription form and select any information required. Once you've done that, click Next. You can just verify that the information is filled out properly and click on Submit to uAssist.